Hey guys, Rob Little Enterprises have a new product for you. I'm down in our home gym, and if you've got a power rack or a home gym with a lot of accessories that are laying all over the floor, here's a real inexpensive solution for you. It's an accessory hanger, and it mounts on your tubing. And you can see over here, I already have a whole bunch of them installed. This is 2" by 3" tubing. If you have a 2x2 or a 3x3, we sell all the different versions. It's a real simple thing. It's a clamshell design with an S-hook, and let me show you how it's installed. You just put it over your tubing, bring it down, put your S-hook through there, and now you have a great place to hang your accessories, and you can move them around when you don't need something. You can slide it down or move them all around. That way you're not, tied into a hole that's already in the system. So real simple part, cleans up the whole area. These are 3D printed here in America using US 3D printer filament from Alabama. So super excited about an American made product with American materials for you here in America. So hope this really helps you out. God bless. We'll see you on the next video.